Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Leo. Under the deck, 10 of Swords, Strength, 4 of Pentacles and 9 of Swords. Leo. I think you are missing someone or you are in anxiety or depression energy. And Queen of Pentacles is here. Sorry, Queen, 4 of Pentacles. I think you are not expressing your true emotions to anyone. You are holding back. And you are working on yourself. You are working on your inner strength. Leo, it's your card and it's your reading. And 10 of Swords. Yeah, right now you are very tired and your energy is very, very down. Yes, right now you are working on your inner strength, inner wisdom. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 5 of Cups, 6 of Wands and 7 of Wands. So you want success in this relationship, but lot of issues. 5 of Cups, you're feeling sad for something. Maybe there are some issues between you and your person. Maybe no contact. Maybe for some there is separation. You always fighting for this relationship, but something has happening. Something is happening. So you are trying, but nothing is happened. You want success in this connection, but there is always a sad ending was sad. Then present 6 of Swords, Empress and 9 of Cups. Maybe for some you decided to move on from this person. Maybe for some you're trying to fix things between you and your person. And for some, the woman in this connection could be pregnant or children's also involved in this connection. And you're wishing this connection. For some, your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment. Then future, the Star, Knight of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. You wishing for this connection still. You are hoping something positive in this connection. Yeah, in past maybe there was something happened between you and your person, but still you want this person in your life and someone is rushing to communicate with you. And at the same time you started, in future you will start to focusing on your abundance. Yes, because you want financial stability. That's why in future you will start focusing on your career. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Leo. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So let's see. Judgment, the Fool. Wow, 3 of Pentacles. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. They are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship very soon. Maybe for some, one person in this connection going through some legal issues. So let's see their current feelings. Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands and 8 of Cups. Maybe they walked away from this connection in past, but they're still very, very attracted to you. They're waiting for right time to approach you, to ask second chance. And their feelings, Knight of Wands, the World and the Hermit. They still have a lot of passion and they want reconciliation, but it will take some time because right now your person going through some spiritual awakening And lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. So your person want second chance, but it will take some time. They are waiting for right opportunity, or they're waiting for right time. So let's see their intentions. And it's your card. Maybe they're scared for rejection. See, Ace of Swords. Yeah, right time, divine timing. Right now, your person also working on this strength, inner strength, but they want to communicate with you and they want to say some truth, and they're waiting for right time. See, they want passionate new beginnings with you. Yeah, if they walked away from this connection, now they have regrets. And they're seeing you as their empress, and they're seeing you are a very independent person, very strong person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Here divine timing plays key role, because your person is waiting for right time and right opportunity. They are waiting. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to say, they want to send some message. They're spying you a lot. Yeah, they're missing you so much. Right now, they're missing you. Yeah, they're feeling alone without you. Leo. Lots of you are in separation. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo especially, or Leo, could be another Leo. You are on your power. I think you are just seeing what they will do. You are just observing them. You are taking your control back. You are not initiating any contact. They will initiate contact. You are taking your control back. Juggling and the Sun. There is some big happiness is coming into your life, Leo, but there is some juggling here. Maybe you're juggling between options, or between this person and other person. So let's see mutual energies. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. You're both thinking about each other a lot. Yeah, Ace of Swords. So they're thinking, and you're both thinking about each other a lot. I think clarity is coming, communication is coming. But for some, you decided to cut off this person from your life. But there is some waiting. Still, there is some waiting is here. One person is holding back and another person is working on their inner strength. I want one more clarification card for Ace of Swords. Why is Ace of Swords is here? See, Ace of Pentacles. Yes. I think you both want new beginnings with each other. Definitely there is a chance for new beginnings. For some it will take time, because you are stubborn, Leo. Definitely you are stubborn, but they are making their move. So let's see some messages from your post. I'm very attracted to you. New love is coming. And I want you back. And I am crazy about you. So the messages are, I am very attracted to you. New love is coming. I want you back. And I am crazy about you. So let's see some messages from Moor Oracle deck for you, Leo. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. So if you are going through a lot right now, or if you are juggling to make any decision, this is the message for you. Do meditation. And the end of it, up cycle approaches the full moon in Capricorn energy. So if you are going through a tough cycle right now, this is the message from the universe. The end of your tough cycle approaches very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.